kakarating ko lang. Kakarating lang ni Be. So, ayun, training namin para sa assessment na, sa assessment, para sa NC2. At ayan na sila, nag-start na kami. Sila yung kasama ko sa pag-practice. Makakapasaya kaya tayo. Nahahagas ako. OMG.
Diba yung thoughts ko dito?
Ano gawin yung yung pangalawang sinabi yung
Garusyan ng kawayan.
Ano ba? Wait, ayusin natin. Dapat
Ano yan?
Yan? Grabe. Uy, uso yan na yun. Sila lang. Uy, di mo na.
Uy, ano pa? Yung ang mahirap bishop hat. Tapos
Yung bishop ay crown.
Ay, pipicture lang
Yun na, mayroon ito ba? Ganito daw.
Ganito mo.
Kanina ba kasang ka?
Yung ginagawa ni
Bishop.
Proud.
Ay, kapitan crown. At lang.
Ganyan mo lang. Sunod.
Ganyan. Uy, ano yun? Huwag yung kasagad. Dito kasagad.
Kalahating na.
Tapos tiklop. Ayan na. Chirin. Tapos maliktad. Ayan. Ano sunod, guys? It's your crown. Ay, ito, ganito. Baba pa, yan. Biyak ko rin.
Sabay-sabay nga ni kita. Para tayo
Ulit.
Siya crown.
Ulit daw. Ulit.
Good yan.
Ulit. Ulit nga. Guys, huwag kayong magsasalita na unnecessary ha. Para makakakilit naman. This is my alter ego. Rose me. Rose Bands. Kita niyo ba? Halat pa naman eh. Kalma. Wala ka JR. Bye. Dito na.
Yung dalawa.
Yeah. Iba-iba ito. Ano mo siya? Yan. 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 Tapos, tapos tiklopin mo yan. Ayan, diba? Yan. Ay, hindi. Sakto lang. Tapos, balik na rin.
Sulit na rin.
Tapos, kabit mo. Ano tawag ito?
Simple din sa pinaka-edge. Para mag-lock.
Ano mo, bukahin mo. Bukahin na yan. Okay, nagkasarili tayo sa This is my crown.
Pagsabol kasi mo. Pero imagine mo lagyan mo siya sa pwede naman siguro unfold niya yung iba. Unfold niya yung iba. Malaki yan ay.
Ano sunod? Siya?
Ang bulit mo.
Masarap parang sa akin.
Malungkit kasi yan, malungkot yan.
Parang malungkot yung gumagawa.
Hindi ko sigurado. Marami ba yan?
Dali, ay, tanggap na si Al nagtutulog. Ano to? Ano tawag? Ano sunod na gagawin natin?
Ito, nasa ano na.
May galit na.
Ang good luck po. Ito, taas. Yung kabila, ito. Yan, taas, ganito. Baba. Natama yan, tapos yung taas. Yan, baba. Yan, baba. Tapos, ganito.
Pasay ka pa rin.
Dapat pantay yung ito ha. Para
Baliktad, baliktad.
Binaligtad doon. Sino mo?
taas.
Huwag kang magpasay. Pasay.
Yung ikaw yung sumusunod sa akin.
Pantay mo siya.
Pantayin mo siya. Tapos, yung ganito sa may ganito. Ganun mo. Labas mo yan. Tapos, ipasok mo yung dito. Yan, yan. Ganun mo. Ikot mo. Yan. Yan. Tapos, yung inaas mo kanina. Ito? Ay, tama yung siya. Di ba ba? Ganun? Ganito. Ay, hindi mo makikita. Oo, sa akin. Masay ka ba ka?
Di ka ko si Princess.
Di ba yung papasok mo dito? Di ba? Oh, di ba?
Dahil walang butas sa ano, di ba? Sa ilalim. Dahil walang butas sa ilalim. Para hindi kayo malito. Makakual nyo, makabaliktad nyo, ipantay sa ganito.
Ay, aray ko. Guys, this is Bishop hat. Yan. Medyo ang hirap lang talaga.
Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos ito, ulit, ikaw daw. Ganito, ito ko nandito sa labas.
Uy, paano na yun? Ay, alam ko yan.
Taas, and then labas, tigal mo pala, tapos pasok.
Baliktad, ay baliktad.
Oo, ay, hindi na sa prahan. Wala sa prahan kasi. Labas mo, baba, balik mo. So, yun guys.
Gitna yan, di ba?
Ay, paano yan?
Turo mo kay Adeline. Tapos, yan. Di ba kayo ito? Balik ka rin. Yan. Ito, labas ka. Pasok ako. Yan. Tapos yun.
Ano, okay na kayo?
Ma'am, mag-hello ka sa vlog ko.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Pa-like and share. Follow. Follow and support.
Pinalo, literal.
Okay, so ito yung mga mga sample ito yung pag saan bagay natin sa fine dining yun, bibigyan tayo ng at least 3. So dapat meron kayo memories yun at least 3. Yung unlock number, appetizer, we have meat mussels, we have crispy meatballs, and we have here the crispy calamansi. You want crispy calamansi. At least 3. Yan yung pilihan. Tapos, ito, room service, ito reservation. Madali lang pag ito. Ito parang may nagpa-reserve lang sa restaurant nyo. Ang kailangan nyo ditong alamin, yung ano yung mga dapat tinatanong para may sequence kayo. Hindi na siya, hindi mo napapali-memorize yung dialogue. Kaya mo mag-agree. Ito naman, fine dining. Ito bagay yung nasa-serve tayo na may yung parang sa chef chubaga yung may dumating na yung nag-take orders. Ito yun. Ito room service naman, ito yung combination ng reservation sa kanang fine dining. Kasi nag-order tayo lang tapos na-serve. So yan, ang muna natin gagawin.
Ma'am, lahat ito.
Ha?
Tutuloy na.
Kaya nyo yan? Okay, wait lang.
Memory plus gold.
Ha? Hindi. Kukunti na natin. Ano? Meron tayong 2 weeks para mag-sunod-sunod.
2 weeks na lang.
2
2
weeks.
weeks, tapos may pagano'n pa tayong bubuhat
Yan.
natin.
Kaya natin yan.
2 weeks, madam, yan.
Magpati ba bato muna yung lagay namin dun sa tray?
Ayan na lang. Okay na kayo sa...
2 weeks straight ma'am, kahit Sabado linggo po.
Ako nila lahat.
Ito po lahat.
Ilalagay yung nagawa ko.
Yung freestyle na lang.
Mag-freestyle. Dalawa. Sige daw.
Double candle tapos...
Ang kalag pati. May sasasman ka kapag okay naman. Naka-9.
Mami,
At
yung
least,
pagbalapit-lapit mo, pero individual kami ng table.
English mo talaga kayo gagawin.
Naka-arrange siya na naman na.
Ano may oras ko?
Naman, dati meron 3 minutes per ano kanina.
Mas nakakabong pag
May oras.
Tapos nag-itik-tik.
Pero pag lagi mo na siyang ginagawa, yung 3 minutes sa wala na yung sige.
Kaya hindi mo
Walang pwede sa mga.
Sige na. O, yan pag gagawin natin reservation mo.
Ilang kape yun, madam?
Nasaan yung ano?
Makakayo ano mas kalig pa tayo. Kung kailan, anong oras, lunch ba siya or dinner, kung ilang taong i-cater mo. Malagay ka lang. Ma'am, may I just repeat your reservation? You are Miss Trixie and you want to make a reservation for Sunday, June 2, 2024 for 20 guests. It will be for lunch at 12 noon. And your contact number is, wag niyo kakalimutan tanungin ang contact number kasi magre-remind kayo sa kanya anong gagamitin mong contact number. And your contact number is 090210 ganun. Ayan. So yan. Tapos sasabihin mo lang sa kanya na i-remind mo lang siya na dapat 30 minutes bago yung reservation. For example, 12 siya nagpa-reserve. Dapat 11:30 pa lang nandun na siya sa restaurant. Otherwise, ibibigay mo yung table na reserve niya dun sa mga walk-in na papasok. Kaya i-Englishin mo lang yun. Ano, Ma'am, may I just remind you that you should be here at the restaurant at least, or before, at least 30 minutes before the actual time. Otherwise,
May be compelled.
we will be compelled your table to our walk-in guests. Thank you, Ma'am, for calling ARD Restaurant. I am looking forward to see you on Sunday, June 2, 2024. Have a nice day. Oh, ganun lang siya. Ano? Have a nice day. After nun, itong reminding the guest, ang dali niya lang. Kasi, ang sasabihin mo lang dito, parang ni-remind mo lang siya about din dito sa mga sinulat mo. O halimbawa, good morning ma'am, this is... Noong una kasi, siya ang tumawag. Kaya nagsabi ka, good morning ma'am, thank you for calling ARD Restaurant. This is Rose, how may I help you? Dito naman sa reminding the guest, ikaw na ang tumawag dun sa nagpa-reserve. Kaya sasabihin mo dyan, good morning ma'am, this is Rose of ARD Restaurant. I am calling to remind you about your reservation on Sunday, June 2, 2024 for 20 guests. It will be for lunch at 12 noon. Ayan. Yes, ma'am. Kung wari, nagtanong siya, may parking area ba kayo kasi may dala kaming Montero? O gano'n. Masabi ka isa na. Masabi ka, yes, ma'am. We do have parking space for vehicles and parking valet attendant to attend to your car. Thank you, ma'am. I am looking forward to see you on Sunday, June 2, 2024. See you soon. Oh, pwede ka naman. Ganun lang siya. Ano? Okay, sunod daw natin. Si ano? Si Malado. May basahan pa naman. Oh, may basahan pa tayo.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for calling Dixie's Restaurant. Susulat ko ba? Ulit.
Dito ka lang magsusulat sa pangalan niya. Tapos sumunod dito.
Uy, pastos ko.
Sige na, sige na.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for calling Trixie's. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for calling Trixie's Restaurant. This is...
Tapos hindi ka pa dyan magsusulat. Dito ka pa magsusulat. Kabisaw mo naman dyan.
Sa aga na para... Uy! 1, 2, 3. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for calling Bustamantes Restaurant. This is Trixie. How may I help you? Yes, ma'am. You are Princess? Hi, Princess. And you want to make a reservation? For when is your reservation? Your reservation is for Sunday, June 3. For 12 guests, and it will be for lunch. Galing tumaw. At 11:30 p.m. Would you prefer to use our function room since you have 12 guests so that you may have some privacy, or you want to stay on the second floor with no immediate guest near your table? You prepare to stay at the second floor, ma'am, provided you're a little far from the rest of the guests. That could be arranged, ma'am. Would you like to order your food now, ma'am? Or would you prefer to order it when you arrive? Or you want to try our buffet spread? Our a la carte food is cooked within 15 to 20 minutes, ma'am. And each order is good for 3 people, and the average check is around 600 per head. Our buffet spread is priced at 750 per head. Okay, ma'am, you prepared to try our buffet spread? Ma'am, may I just repeat your reservation? Your reservation, you are Miss Princess, and your reservation will be on June 3, Sunday at 11:30 p.m. for 12 guests. Your contact number is 0912297539. Ma'am, may I remind you that we should be here at the... Siyempre, practice pa lang, kaya ganun tayo, guys. Pero kakayanin natin yan sa ano.
For the go.
For the go.
Paglalagyan na?
Guys, si Princess na ang sunod.
Guys, ayun.
For the national certificate po yan. Ito na, sige na. Ano ba? May basahan pa lang naman eh. Sige na.
Reservation is for Sunday, August 27 for 10 guests and it will be released at 8:30. Would you like to use our function room, sir, since you have 10 guests so that you have some privacy? Or would you prefer to stay on the second floor, sir, with no immediate guests near you? Okay, sir. You prefer to stay on the second floor, sir, provided you're equal far from the rest of our guests. That could be arranged, sir. How about food, sir? Would you like to order it when you arrive, or would you like to order it?
Good morning, ma'am. This is Bustamante. Ay, balik. Good morning, ma'am. This is... Ay. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for calling Bustamante Restaurant. This is Lucy. How may I help you? Yes, ma'am. You are Miss Princess and you want to make a reservation? For when is your reservation, ma'am? Your reservation is on Sunday, June 3, 2024 for 20 guests at 11:30 p.m. Mali. Your reservation is for Sunday. Susukan talaga ako. Oh my God, nagugutom na ako. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for calling Bustamante Restaurant. This is Lucy. How may I help you?
Di ba nga naman?
Hindi ko pa kaya. Pwede magkamali. Tayo na, guys. Ay,
Okay lang, pero hindi pwedeng yung papalin yung tingin. Ay, bawal na. Okay, nasa na yun? Ano yung ano? Ay, ano? Jovelyn? Yung ballpen sa kanan, para mo na. Nasaan si ano? Si notebook. Pada mo na. Mapupuno na yung notebook mo.
nakakatakot.
Ayan, okay lang. Sige.
Paano kung mahihiling kapag ano?
Ayun, nakapakita ko.
Kapag mali na?
Oo.
Maraming sa'yo, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for calling Bustamantes Restaurant. This is Trixie. How may I help you? Yes, ma'am. You are Miss Princess and... Yes, ma'am. You are Miss Princess. And you want to make a reservation? For when is your reservation, ma'am? Your reservation is on Sunday, June 3, 2024, for 20 guests, and it will be for lunch at 11:30 p.m.
Would you like?
Would you like to prefer to use our function room, ma'am, since you have 20 guests? Or would you prefer to stay on the second floor with no immediate guests being here?
You prefer?
We prefer to stay on the second floor, ma'am, provided you're a little far from the rest of the guests. That could be arranged, ma'am.
Would you like to order your food?
Would you like to order your food, ma'am?
Now?
Would you like to order your food now, ma'am? Would you like to order your food now, ma'am?
Or you prefer to order it
Or
when
you
you
prefer
arrive?
to stay?
Or you prefer to order it when you arrive?
Or you prefer to order it when you arrive?
Or you want
Or
to
you
try?
want to try our buffet spread? Our a la carte food is cooked within 15 to 20 minutes. And each order is good for 3 people, and the average check is around 600 per head, and our buffet spread is priced 750 per head. You prepare to our buffet spread, ma'am? Ma'am, may I repeat your reservation? You are Miss Princess, and your reservation is on Sunday, June 3, 2024, for 20 guests, and it will for lunch at 11:30 p.m.
And your contact number?
And your contact number is 09-630-217432.
Ma'am, may I just remind you
Ma'am, may I just remind you about your reservation?
that you should be
You
here?
should be here at least 30 minutes before the actual time.
Otherwise,
we may be compelled to give your table to our walk-in guests.
thank you, ma'am, for calling.
Thank you, ma'am, for calling Bustamantes Restaurant. Please,
I am looking
I am
forward
looking forward
to see you
to
on...
see you on Sunday, June 3, 2024. See
See
you
you
soon.
soon. Okay. Okay, reminding the guests. Good morning, ma'am. This is Trixie of Bustamante Restaurant. I am calling to remind you about your reservations on...
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Trixie of Bustamantes Restaurant. I am calling to remind you about your reservation for Sunday, June 3, 2024, for 20 guests.
It will be for...
It will be for lunch at 11:30 p.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We do have a parking space for vehicles and a parking valet attendant to attend to your car.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I
I
am...
am looking forward to see you on Sunday, June 3, 2024.
See you
See
soon.
you soon.
Diba? Practice pa. Galing nyo naman.